If you struggle with self-hate, I want you to try this exercise that I'm going to bring forward. But first, let's explain what it is. So self-hate comes from the fear of rejection. We start to have all these thoughts about what it was that got us rejected in the first place or made us unlovable. And then we turn against ourselves and those parts of us to try to get love. But what ends up happening is that we end up becoming this form that is totally unrecognizable to our actual authentic truth. And the people who are around us only love us for the mask or what we're projecting for them to see about us. And what does that do? Perpetuates the very core wound of rejection and makes us still feel alone in the world. So yes, we have to actually walk through the fire of terror in the process of owning our own authenticity. And that is a really intense process. It takes a lot of bravery. So here's the exercise. I want you to draw something like this. And within it, put all of the negative thoughts that you think about yourself or all the things that you think other people think about you. Then I want you to cut this out and carry it around with you. Every time you have one of those fearful thoughts come up, put it inside. And then start to have a relationship with this being as if it were a friend or a child. How would you build up this being's self-confidence?